In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you need to remove an invoice that was created by mistake or is no longer needed, QuickBooks Online makes the process pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting an invoice is permanent, so it's a good idea to make sure you're removing the correct one before you confirm anything. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, where you can access your sales and customer transaction records. Next, open the Invoices section. To do that, select Sales from the navigation menu, and then click Invoices. This will take you to the full list of invoices in your company file, where you can review all existing records in one place. Now, find the invoice you want to delete. If you have a large number of invoices, take a moment to carefully identify the right one by checking the customer name, invoice number, date, or amount. This helps prevent deleting the wrong transaction. Once you've found it, click on the invoice to open its details. This will bring up the full invoice view, where you can confirm that it's the exact record you want to remove. After that, look toward the bottom of the invoice screen and click More Actions. This opens a menu with additional options related to the invoice. From that menu, select Delete. QuickBooks will then display a confirmation message to make sure you really want to remove the invoice. This extra step is important because once the invoice is deleted, it will no longer appear in your active invoice records. Review the confirmation message carefully, and if everything looks correct, click Yes or Delete to proceed. At this point, QuickBooks Online will complete the deletion. Finally, go back to the invoice list and verify that the invoice has been removed. You can check the list directly to confirm it no longer appears. This final review helps ensure the action was completed successfully and that the correct invoice was deleted. And that's it. That's how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Be sure to double-check the invoice before removing it, especially if it has already been shared or referenced elsewhere in your records. Thanks for watching.